Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, November 25th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY, and expect a quiet day today, half a day, as you can see from Wednesday night, yesterday up to 1 o'clock, and now last night and this morning, just packing in volume, basically above yesterday's high. As the bulls are firmly in control right now. We have a 20 wide point of control at 42. We're 18 wide up at 42.50. I would expect to trade at this level at some point again today. All right, I would expect that. It doesn't necessarily mean we have to. We have a poor high in the overnight high back from Wednesday night up at 49.25. Look, game plan for this morning, there isn't much of a game plan, right? It's going to be a quiet day. I don't even know if I'm going to trade. I will be on the mic. I'll be leading the room. We'll see if we get anything out of the first couple of hours or so. Triple Qs. Now, Qs are a little different, as you can see, as they're making new lows here in their pre-market. They had nothing to lean on. We talked about from Wednesday, right? Just nothing. So they're going to probably have a lot of chop inside of Wednesday's range. Russell, on the other hand, again, also been trading at the top of Wednesday's range. We'll see if that holds. And the S&P probably acting the best as they've been up here. Now, obviously the market's gotten long. The weekly's up, the daily's up, the monthly's in balance. Do we get some sort of inventory adjustment with everybody being long? Again, that's possible, but I'm not expecting much. But just realize, because there's going to be a lack of liquidity, the market can move a little further, right? You have to respect what these short-term traders can do. We were 9 wide, so any acceptance inside of Wednesday's value, and if you get the overnight low, well, then you're going to go trade at this 9 wide POC, okay? There is no pullback. It was just the G, which was an afternoon bar, was the low of the day. So there's nothing really to lean on as far as Wednesday goes. I would think that would be a target if you ought to take out the overnight low. And then so if you want to take a short to get down to that, if we take out the overnight low. As far as a long, again, if you get above Wednesday's high, this 20 wide and this 18 wide should be a nice target for longs. We will recap the entire week on all three of these indices when we close at 1 p.m. Eastern time today. And then just quickly on the chart, here's the daily. One time framing up. So the next hurdle for the bulls is to get into this large gap from back on September 13th, test the 200-day moving average, eventually fill this and get September's high. For the bears, they want to take out Wednesday's low and come back into balance. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 1 p.m.